Guys, William Agnew, welcome to another episode of Jekyll and Hydes. Today we got a little bit of luxury for you guys. Well, maybe a lot of luxury. As a matter of fact, this is a BMW 2023 7 Series. Big boy status, right? It don't get no bigger than this, guys. This is about $160,000 price tag, and you guys know what we always say. If you're gonna pay for it, protect it, and that's what we did with this vehicle. I mean, it's got everything you want, right? From the looks to the feel to the luxury to the technical, the high-end, the TVs. You want it, it's got it. We'll talk about all of that, but we're gonna talk about first what we did to this vehicle. The original color was a gray. What we did is we did the PPF, and you guys know you get a 2-for-1 with PPF. What do I mean? You get protection as well as a texture and color change. So now this is a matte charcoal black, as you guys can see, with the PPF, and it's also protected. Now, with that being said, the client also was interested in the two-tones. This wasn't two-tone originally, but he couldn't find the two-tone that he liked. So guess what he asked Jekyll and Hydes to do? He wanted this color, he wanted this gloss, and we were able to give it to him. So what did we do? We used vinyl, and we gave him what he wanted. Check it out, guys. Copper orange on the side, right? So again, what did we do? We did PPF, we did matte PPF, and we also did the two-tone color change on the side. Take a look at that, guys. That is different. And again, this is a 7 Series, so it's protected. He got the color he wanted, two-tone, front to back, 2023 7 Series BMW. Guys, if you want your vehicle done, we can do it. Jekyll and Hydes, that's what we do. Custom design, custom made, whatever you want, whether it be vehicle, business, retail, bring it on down to Jekyll and Hydes. BMW 2023 7 Series. This is William Agnew. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.